Good morning, students. Now in this chapter, the new topic we are going to start, that is the investment multiplier. And before this topic, we have completed already two approaches to find out the income determination and multiplier. Now today I am going to start the last topic of this chapter, that is the investment multiplier. First of all, investment multiplier is denoted by the symbol K, and multiplier is the ratio of change in national income. National income, delta y, it's written over here in the formula, delta y upon delta I. That means investment multiplier or multiplier is the ratio of change in national income to the change in investment. That means K denotes investment multiplier and its formula is delta y upon delta I. So it shows the changes in the ratio of change in the national income to the change in the investment, or maybe we can say that multiplier is the number which explains how many times the national income increases as a result of increase in the investment. That means investment increase होने से income में कितना changes आएगा. Now, so the formula of investment multiplier is K equals to delta y upon delta I. But two more formulas are also there to find out the value of investment multiplier, that is related with MPC and MPS. So now let's start with the relationship of investment multiplier with MPC and MPS. So that means the value of the investment multiplier totally depends upon the value of MPC and MPS, and there is a direct relationship between K and MPC. That means investment multiplier and between MPC there is a direct relationship. Higher the MPC, higher will be the value of multiplier. Reason behind, because if the people will do more consumption, the more money will be multiplied in the economy. Same, there is an inverse relationship between K and MPS. MPS always shows the inverse relationship between with the K. That means higher the MPS, lower will be the value of multiplier. That means if the people will do more savings, so that more money will be working as a leakages from the circular flow of our income, and the money will not be multiplied. So that is why we usually say that MPC has a direct relationship with the multiplier and MPS have an inverse relationship with the investment multiplier. These are the two formulas. K equals to 1 upon 1 minus MPC. That is, if the value of MPC is given to you in the numerical, you can calculate the value of investment multiplier with this formula. Similarly, if MPS value is given, so you can calculate K value by this formula. But how we derive this formula from first one? Because the first formula which we have written, that is K equals to delta y upon delta I. So here I have done the derivation. Now see the derivation. First of all, I have written the first formula K equals to delta y upon delta I. And delta y, we know the approach y equals to c plus I होता है आपका AD equals to c plus I, and AD और AS is also equal to each other. So we can write y equals to c plus I. ठीक है. So I equals to y minus c आप करोगे, and we can show in the changes form also delta equals to delta y minus delta c. So in this same formula we are going to keep the same value delta y as it is, and instead of delta I we are keeping delta y minus delta c. Now this right side we are going to divide by delta y. That means numerator and denominator दोनों को आपको delta y से divide करना है. तो we will get the value 1 upon 1 minus MPC. And we know 1 minus MPC is equals to MPS also. So that means from the first formula we can derive both the formulas also. So this is the derivation of investment multiplier, and there is a direct relationship between K and MPC and inverse relationship between K and MPS. Now more I will explain you that how the investment multiplier works. Okay, now let's start discussing the working of the multiplier. 3-mark question always comes from this topic. They will ask you explain the working of the multiplier with the numeric example. So this table you have to show, or maybe with the numerical you have to explain. First of all, just see at the bottom, delta I increases, then income increases, consumption increases, so it leads to again the changes in the income. That means the working of the multiplier assumes this following process. That means change in investment causes change in income. That means if investment increases, the income increases, so as a result there is a change in the consumption, and consumption expenditure of the one person is the income of the another. Obviously, if you are going to consume the commodity, that whatever the commodity you have purchased, in return you will give the money, so that money is automatically the income of the other person. So the change in consumption leads to change in income, and this process continues till change in consumption falls to 0. Now, so that automatically here you can see that delta I, if investment changes, so income changes, income increases, so automatically the consumption increases, and the consumption of the one person is the income of the another person. Now just see this schedule. First of all, here the rounds are given. First of all, the investment which is changed in the economy, that is 100 crore. That means this table shows that as additional investment increases by rupees 100 crore. In the first part you can see delta I is written over there. So investment increases by rupees 100 crores. So there will be a change in the income by rupees 100 crore. Ab arrow dekho. Here you can see when the investment of the 100 crore is done, so changes in the income is also 100 crore in the first round. And if MPC is 0.5, okay, so if MPC is 0.5, then consumption will rise. The consumption will increase by 100 into 0.5 equals to 50 crores in the first round, and 50 crores will be saved. So now the consumption expenditure of the first round will increase the income by rupees 50 crore in the second round. ये जो आपकी इनकम थी 100 crores की, 50 crores is consumed and 50 crores is saved. So that 50 crores is again is the income of the another person. Okay, so in the first round, if the MPC is 0.5, so 100 crore rupees changes in the income. So 100 into 0.5 equals to 50 crores is the consumption. Okay, and the remaining amount 50 crores is saved. Now just see the second round. In the second round, the consumption expenditure of the first round will increase the income by rupees 50 crore. Again you can see this arrow, 50 crores in the second round. So the change in the consumption will be again 50 into 0.5, because MPC is 0.5, so 50 into 0.5, 25 crores. So 25 crores rupees will be consumed and 25 crores will be saved. So this process will continue. You can see here the arrows again. So this process of income generation will go on, and the consumption expenditure in every round will be half of the additional income received from the previous round. You can see if 100 से 50 हुआ, then 50 से again in the second third round 25, then 25 का half 12.5. So whatever half is consumed and half is saved. So now the same thing we can explain that how we derive this table with this example. Like MPC we have assumed 0.5, so MPS is also 0.5. If the first time investment is done of rupees 100 crores, the income changes rupees 200 crore. Okay? That means changes in the income is rupees 200 crore. Here we can explain you. K equals to 1 upon 1 minus MPC. तो MPC हमने assume करा है, that is 0.5. So multiplier value is 2. Now we are going to keep the another formula of multiplier, K equals to delta Y upon delta I. So now we have to find out the changes in the income, because changes in the investment is 100 crores. So when we are going to keep the values in this formula, K equals to delta Y upon delta I. So delta Y we want to calculate, that means changes in the income. So K into delta I, 2 into 100, because 100 crore rupees is first of all invested in the economy. So 2 into 100, so changes in the income is 200, and the same value 200 we have got it in this schedule also because of this formula. Okay, so in this way the multiplier works, investment multiplier. That means K always denotes that how much there will be a change in the income if we will do some changes in the investment, or maybe multiplier always explains you how many times the national income increases as a result of an increase in the investment. So if the first time 100 crore rupees investment is done, so on that time income is 100 rupees. So and if MPC is 0.5, so 50 crores is consumed and 50 crores is saved. Now whatever the amount is consumed, that same consumption will be the income of the another person. So again 0.5, so 0.5 MPC if it is there, so 50 into 0.5, 25 crore rupees is consumed and 25 is saved. Again this 25 crore rupees become the income of the another person. So this process will continue till the income increases up to rupees 200 crore. And why it is 2 times? Here with the example we can explain that MPC is 0.5 and first of all investment is done in the economy, that is 100 crores. So K equals to 1 upon 1 minus MPC. MPC we have assumed 0.5. So multiplier value is 2. That means 2 times it is going to be multiplied. Now multiplier formula, so we want to calculate the changes in the income. So changes in the income equals to K into delta I. So you will get the value 200 rupees. So 200 crore rupees. So this is the numerical example of the working of investment multiplier. Now diagrammatically we will explain you